Hi Jay, wish you a very happy Valentine's Day.
Hi Ramya, happy Valentine's Day to you too.
Thank you. So Jay, today, in the event of Valentine's Day, we spend so much efforts on making our investments grow. We do it for our friends and family. That's our end goal. So let us see how take some of the trades we have done in the past and see how those are doing, and maybe see how we can make adjustments to make it work better for us.
Absolutely, Ramya. Very true. Like you rightly said, they say love your family and friends, then show that love to your loved ones, and don't love your stocks, right? So, while we did a lot of bullish strategies in our last set of videos, we also felt the pinch of many of the stocks um, didn't go the way that we thought it would actually have a bullish rally, right? So, if that happens, how do you kind of methodically and systematically make some adjustments? Is what we will probably see in the series that we want to publish now. And don't love your stocks, just act on this methodically is probably going to be the theme for this set of series. So, which
Uh,
one should we start now first?
so I know Nvidia has kind of been static, and last time we did like a poor man's covered call on Nvidia. So why don't we start with that, see how that has done, and see if we can make some adjustment to it.
Sure. So let's look at the NVIDIA position that we had entered earlier. Yeah. As you can see, this was the deep in the money leap option that we had entered, which is at a loss because NVIDIA kind of went up and then came down and all that, right? This was the deep in the money leap option expiring January 2027. And we entered this poor man's covered call expiring March 2026. And as you can see, this it has not crossed this 200, and this particular poor man's covered call has gained value. We received $906 for entering this covered call, and that is showing a profit of $478, which means that if we close this, we will get to retain this profit and return the remaining amount, that which is 960 minus 478 back to the broker. What we can do here is we're still bullish on Nvidia in the long run. So what we can do is we can technically roll this particular covered call and make this a vertical call debit spread, meaning that the covered call will also be rolled into the same expiry date and at a strike that we will decide what we need to do. Since
Okay.
this is a simulated position, I cannot show this rolling. So I'm deleting this. Please bear in mind that you've already booked around $478 profit on this poor man's covered call.
Mm.
And once you have done that, rolling will technically mean that you are re-entering this covered call with a different, with the same expiry as your buy call, which is January 2027. And give me a strike, Ramya.
240.
Okay, 240. So if you do this, then you're receiving a credit of close to $1,675. So as you can see, you paid around 6,055, and then you are entering this covered call at 240. You're still maintaining this particular bullish outlook, and your maximum profit from this call debit spread will be 5,610, and your max loss is 4,390. And since you've already booked $478 profit, so this is coming down even more.
Okay.
So your max profit is, you have to consider this as 5,610 plus
Plus.
$478 that you will book. So
Right.
if NVIDIA hits 200 by, let's say, since this is even, by October, you can just book this amount of profit and get out of this altogether, or you can wait till closer to expiry, and if you still maintain the bullish outlook on NVIDIA.
Okay. Okay.
So that's how you will adjust a position where, because it didn't go up immediately, and then you added a poor man's covered call, and now you're booking the profit and making it a debit spread.
All right. That sounds good, Jay, because I think I should be taking this action on the NVIDIA position. so that I can book the profits on the covered call that exists now and then roll it out to later in the year. All right.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Jay. We will continue our discussion.
Thank you.